Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add forgot password to Wix custom code login form. So in here, I will show you how to do that. So let's head over in here to our pages and menu. And then under here, you can see the sign up and login. So in here, I can see the login form. And as you can see, it will redirect us to this one. So in here, we can see that we also already have a forgot password. But this forgot password link is actually directed to nowhere. So it is actually directed to nowhere. So in order to do that and in order to change that, let's just click on this pages and menu again. And then from in here, let's head over and click on site menu. Then click on this add menu item. Click on add new page. And then let's just make a blank page first. Now, on this one, what we can do is we can actually head over and rename is password reset. And then click on done for that. Now, we need to hide this. As you can see, we can see this on our menu, so we need to hide that. Just click on the three dots, and then in here, you should be able to see the option to hide this specific menu. So click on this hide from menu, and then as you can see, it's been hidden. Now, let's just head over to that specific page, which is this one. Now, what we can do is we can click on this dev mode, then click on turn on developer mode, and then it will open a developer mode on this specific site. Now, what we can do is we can actually remove this all, and then let's put in a code that we have. Now, from in there, let's just head over and then just try to actually use this one code that we have. So this code is actually from online that I have. And then from in there, I will just put this code in the description. So from in there, let's actually minimize this. And then let's publish this. Now, after this is publishing, we can now head over and then publish this page. Now, what we can do next is we need to head over to our actual page that is using that specific code. So you need to search for the page of the login. So on the login page, you should be able to see that. So let's head over in here on our custom login. And under the custom login option right here, we should be able to click on this forgot password. And under this, just click on this link. And then once you have clicked on that, in here on the page, just click on the switch page, and then let's just choose this password reset. Then click on done. Now that we have done that, let's head over and publish this change again. And once we have published the change, let's try to view the website that we have published. So let's click on view site right here. And then from in there, it will show you what it looks like. So let's try to log in here. Let's click on this. And then this will direct us to the login page of our website that we have created. So we can just click on that. And for example, let's try to click on this forgot password right here. And then this will ask for email. So I will just put in here my email. And then once I have put in here my email, I can just click on this reset password right here. Then as you can see, the password link has been sent to my email. So let's head over to my Gmail right here. And as you can see, Wix has emailed me to this reset password, wherein I can just click on this right here in order to change my password. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add forget password to Wix custom code. If you have found this video helpful, then please leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.